You know guys, whenever I get a package from Alienware, right, I get very excited to make a video for you people. And today the hype is real because we got our hands on Alienware's new Gen M16R2 gaming laptop that is powered by Intel's Core Ultra CPUs. So till now we've unboxed and reviewed so many Intel Core Ultra laptops, but most of them were like thin and light form factor, right? But today we actually got our hands on a gaming laptop that is powered by Intel's Core Ultra CPUs. So I'm like very excited to check out what kind of performance we'll get and also compare to the previous models as well. So this M16R2 edition is like a big upgrade coming from their previous gen M16R1 and also offers like great hardware on board guys. First of all, you're getting like a 16 inches quad HD plus resolution, 240 Hz high refresh rate, 3 millisecond, and not to miss out, the display is also Nvidia G-Sync certified and comes with Mux switch with advanced Optimus as well. Not to miss out hardware, you're getting Intel's Core Ultra CPUs available in like multiple configurations, Core Ultra 7, Core Ultra 9, and paired with Nvidia's RTX 40 series GPUs, versatile combinations guys, 4050, 4060, 4070 edition also. And we'll be definitely talking about the whole performance, hardware configuration, everything in this video. It's gonna be a very exciting video guys. Make sure to watch it till the end. On that note, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can watch these videos as soon as I post them. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So a brand new gaming laptop from Alienware came in this sort of packaging. Packaging looks very similar to the other Alienware products, right? You have the Alienware logo on the front, and going to the side, here you can check out some of its main highlights and features. First of all, you're getting a 16 inches 240 Hz Quad HD Plus display that is also Dolby Vision and Atmos certified, and you're also getting an upgraded Cryotech cooling solution, plus not to miss out Alien FX RGB lighting as well. So that's it, there's nothing mentioned on the packaging. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. As soon as you open it, oh, look at that, our brand new M16R2 AI gaming laptop. Oh wow, that looks beautiful, right? We'll just come back to the laptop in a moment. Keeping that aside, in the accessory box, you're getting your power adapter. Basically, a slim and compact form factor power adapter with 240 watt rating and a main cord for the adapter. Lastly, you're also getting some paperwork. Just make sure to read that. So that's it, our quick unboxing part. Now let me give you a closer look at the laptop and first of all talk about the design and build quality. Initial impressions, I have to say, laptop looks absolutely gorgeous in this dark metallic moon color, and I really like the naming game that Alienware goes for, like literally dark metallic moon. How cool is that? If you talk about the design, they're going for the Legend 3 design, and basically this laptop was made for like portable gaming on the go, right? That is the reason they went with like rounded edges and corners, makes it quite easy to carry around anywhere. Very clean and minimalistic looking design guys. But yes, you're also getting Alien FX RGB lighting as well. On the top lid, you're getting a beautiful mirror finished Alienware logo that is also RGB illuminated, and below that you're getting a 16 imprinted guys. Looks very cool. Talking about the build quality, entire body is made of anodized aluminum finishing and definitely feels quite durable and solid. One more thing you'll notice is, to add to the overall laptop's design, on the new M16R2 they've removed the rear thermal shelf which was present on the previous R1 for enhanced mobility with plenty thermal support for performance. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the laptop, and first of all show you all the available I/O connectivity ports. Starting off from the left profile, you're getting a big exhaust vent followed by Ethernet LAN port is also there. 3.5mm audio jack is also available, and this one is your left channel speaker. There is nothing on the front profile. Going to the right side, here you're getting some more ports. Right channel speaker followed by micro SD card slot is also available. Two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports are available, and this one is also your exhaust vent. Remaining ports are placed at the back profile of the laptop. First of all, you're getting two more exhaust vents, and at the center you're getting two USB-C ports that supports Thunderbolt 4.0 double up as DP port as well, and you're getting a full-size HDMI as well and a DC in port for the adapter. So that's it, these are all the available ports on the Alienware's M16R2. Plenty of ports guys, gets your day-to-day sort of job done very easily. And here's how the bottom profile of the laptop looks like. As I've told you, entire body is made of metal. You're getting plenty of vents on the bottom, that too in their signature honeycomb pattern, and on board you're getting like dual fan cooling solution, that too their upgraded Cryotech cooling. We'll definitely talk about that during the performance section, and all around you're getting a rubber foot pad. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up the laptop and talk about the interiors as well. And first thing you'll notice, as soon as you open the lid of the laptop, right, you can actually open it using a single hand. I mean, look at this guys, very stable design, no wobbling, nothing like that. Quality of the hinge is also good, and look at this, the hinge can be rotated up to 180 degrees. So not just for gaming, even if you want to do like office related work or maybe give some presentations, right, the laptop is like ideal and good for that sort sort of applications. Starting with the upper half section, you're getting a 16 inches quad HD plus resolution, basically 2560 by 1600, 240 Hz high refresh rate, 3 millisecond G2G response time display, guys, with 100% sRGB color gamut support. Bezels are also very slim on the sides and the top. On the bottom, you do have a little bit of chin with the Alienware logo at the center. Talking about the webcam, you're getting a 1080p Full HD IR webcam that is suitable for Windows Hello login as well, and that's it about the upper half section. Now going to the lower half section, let me actually give a closer look and talk about the keyboard, because keyboard and touchpad are also special. The laptop comes with Alienware's premium M series gaming keyboard and feels quite nice and comfortable while typing. You're getting a 1.8mm key travel that feels very comfortable while typing. Even the quality of the keys and key caps is also nice. Not to miss out, on board you're getting Alien FX perky RGB lighting, fully customizable using their command center software, and yes, it does have N-key rollover and 100% anti-ghosting support as well. Coming down to the touchpad, look at that, even the touchpad has an all-around RGB lighting which is fully customizable, and it's a decently sized touchpad, easily recognizes all my inputs and gestures and didn't face any sorts of dead zones during my usage. One more highlight I forgot to mention is the new Alienware M16 R2 also features a special stealth mode, in case if you want a more professional sort of look with clean aesthetics whenever maybe you're at work or meetings, right? All you need to do is just click function plus F2 and this will toggle stealth mode. This will set the laptop's profile to quiet mode, turns off all the Alien FX lighting and changes the keyboard backlight to white color. So now you can work or maybe take notes or watch videos without any sort of distractions. So boys, moving on, let's talk about the display and audio quality part. The laptop on board comes with a 16 inches quad HD plus, basically 2560 by 1600 resolution, 240 Hz high refresh rate, G2G 3 millisecond response time, and that too it's an IPS panel with 100% sRGB color gamut range. And let me tell you, display quality on this laptop is really good for the price that you're paying. No, I'm not exaggerating. I mean, I'm obviously showing you some demo clips over here, right? Colors, the detail, everything is like pretty much on point. There is good amount of detail because it's quad HD plus resolution at 16 inches, right? Everything is like quite easily readable, especially text on websites and blogs. Colors are also like very accurate and on point is what I can say. I mean, just look at these RGB colors over here. It's not just good for gaming, but you can even use it for your creative or productive applications as well, especially if you're like a creator and maybe you plan on doing some color grading or video editing stuff on this laptop, right? Display is like really good for these sort of applications. Talking about the brightness, the panel can easily produce around like 300 nits of brightness and is more than enough for your day-to-day sort of requirements. I had no issues checking out the display even in like brightly lit rooms. And talking about the viewing angles are also nice. Picture looks the same no matter from which direction you're checking out. And not to miss out, panel also supports Dolby Vision HDR. So especially if you're watching content like movies or web series on Netflix or Prime Video, right? You will be blown away by the display quality on the M16 R2. Not just the display, if you ask about the speakers on board, you're getting stereo speaker setup which can each produce around like 2 watts, totally 4 watts of output, and not to miss out Dolby Atmos support as well. I've played variety of content over here, not just on YouTube but even on like Netflix, Prime Video and this sort of stuff. And overall audio quality, audio performance is also nice. Good amount of detail, vocal clarity was nice, treble performance also good. All the dialogues are like crisp and clear, easily audible. On the overall, right, for entertainment or media consumption purpose, you'll be like very happy and satisfied with both the display and speaker performance on the M16 R2. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the hardware configuration and the specs of the laptop, right? Today in the home we have the top spec variant of the Alienware M16 R2 2024 and packs like killer specs on board, guys. It is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 9 185H CPU and this is based on 3D performance hybrid architecture. So previously on your older gen CPUs you only used to get like P and E cores, right? Now you're also getting one more set of LPE cores, low power E cores. So totally you're getting like 16 cores, 22 threads, out of which 6 are P cores, 8 E cores and 2 LPE cores, which automatically assign tasks with the help of Intel Thread Director and gets your job done much more efficiently. All of this with a max turbo clock of up to 5.1 GHz. Now pair that with multiple combination of GPUs from 4050, 4060 to all the way up to 4070. Today we have the RTX 4070 variant on board, which comes with 8 gigs of GDDR6 memory and offers a max TGP of up to 140 watt with Dynamic Boost 2.0. Not to miss out, you're also getting 32 GB of dual channel DDR5 RAM clocked at 5600 MHz and also 1 TB PCI Gen 4 SSD. So that is pretty much it, guys. Time to wrap it up. As I've told you, this is mostly like an unboxing and overview video only because we just receive the gaming laptop, right, I'll be using and testing this laptop for the next couple of days. Minimum 10-12 days testing I'll be doing, where we'll be testing out variety of benchmarks, gaming sessions as well. And if you people have any sort of recommendations or any requirements, right, maybe you want me to test this particular game or do these sort of benchmarks, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to add that in my review, and in my review only I'll be sharing my detailed performance review, everything in that video, guys. And lastly, we'll also talk about the battery life of the laptop as well, so definitely stay tuned for that part too. And I'll leave all the details, pricing, everything in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching the video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.